You know how it is when the boss needs a printout by tomorrow morning's meeting. You rush back to your office, type up the information to send to the printer, and you go to retrieve your printout and nothing. So you rush back to your office to call for the printer service, and no one can service your printer this week. Better luck next week. Oh! Suddenly you remember you got a business card from LaserMasters, the fast and efficient printer service. So you call them up and they can service your printer today. Yay! LaserMasters arrives with the same day service and repairs the printer. Now you can give your boss the printout for tomorrow's meeting. And everyone is happy by the end of the day, thanks to LaserMasters.
Created using Powtoon.